I'm in the center of Hanoi, and look, this place is always crowded with scooters on a day-to-day basis. But tonight is Friday, and Friday is always a night market here starting at 7 p.m. And look at that, I am free to sit down in the middle of the street.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Xin chào, Vietnam.
Welcome to Vietnam.
This is now happening in Hanoi, and if you consider traveling here in Hanoi, there's just so much fun and so much things that you can do, and definitely a place where it's bustling with a lot of people, tourists, and so much more, including the food. The food culture here is amazing. I mean, tonight we will be heading to a night market. You know, Friday is always the time when they go. There's always a street that is actually been closed with no motorcycles or scooters around. It's all filled with night markets that you can ever imagine. Aside from that, get yourself immersed into the culture, tradition, and in so much more with this beautiful time of the night. This is all about Hanoi. Look how busy it is. The street is just so full of people. You know, as what I said before, it's very chaos, but they're all organized, very well designed for people who are travelers and also for people who are just walking. Now, sometimes when you cross the street, they always look at you and stop, but in the real culture here, especially in Hanoi, they never stop at you. You have to continue and be confident enough in crossing the streets. This is the night market in Hanoi. How cool is that, right? So behind me are all the shops and stores now getting ready, and I think we will be starting soon anyway. It's already 7 o'clock here at evening at night, and I think they close at 12. I think every Friday they do this, closing the road and getting everyone to come here and, you know, do bargaining, buy whatever you want if you have the money. I'm a bit early here at the night market. Tonight they will close the door here just for the night market here, and every Friday, I guess, I believe. If it is every Friday, then yeah, I'm right. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But I'm still early here, and I think they will be closing the main roads here at 7 o'clock, and I think until 12 midnight. So we're too early, and they're just still setting up the markets and the stalls for everyone to enjoy tonight. So before we come here, we go back maybe. We might probably have a bit of a coffee somewhere and just continue to, you know, to go back here at 7 o'clock. Wow, look at this. It's already bustling with people. And there's just so much things going on here in Hanoi. I love the vibrancy of Hanoi, and I also love how everyone is so friendly, and they always smile at you, and they're always willing to help you. But that is the sound of a scooter. It's quite a bit noisy here, but then, you know, it's just how it is. It's the spirit of Hanoi. I think the streets and transportations are designed like this here. I think they got it from long. Oh my goodness. Whoa. What was that? That was crazy. We don't even know we're gonna cross. But we tried crossing the street so many times, but it feels like I don't have the guts to cross, especially in this kind of a crowded, too much scooters around. The market starting soon, so most of these shops here and stores have already been set up, and we will be checking out some of the things that they're selling here. And also, you know, let's try and do some bargaining. You know, I don't know if I have this bargaining technique when I buy something, because I just don't know how, but I think this will test me tonight. We'll see. We will see. But look at that, the whole street here, all the way up there into the other side, the whole long street. I think they will close the road so everyone can just come in and walk all the way out just to experience the night market here in Hanoi. I don't know the name of the streets here, but you will find it because it's very easy to find. Especially if you're in an old city here in Hanoi, you just have to walk around. It's just a bit of a looping. The lights. There is some sort of a looping area where you loop the area here and then just cross the street. But you know, wherever you go, you'll find it very easy. And I think we're just starting. We're gonna bargain now. So I got 12 for 100k Vietnamese dong, and that is maybe 9k instead of 10k each. So we get a bit of a bargain here. You know, this is how you do it. You bargain so you can get the best deal ever.
Welcome Vietnam.
Welcome Vietnam. And it says blue, yellow, and so much more here. Look, do you ever think of wearing this dress? Oh, this is for men.
Yes, for men.
Wow,
Yes.
how much is this one?
This one I sell 500,000 dollars.
500 as well.
Yes.
Is this the overall top?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have many size.
Right.
Yes.
Wow.
Many color.
Colorful.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yes, so nice.
So good.
Yes.
Is this silk?
Yes, Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Vietnam silk.
Vietnam silk.
Yes.
Wow. Can you wear it every day?
Yes, you can
Every
wear.
day?
Every day. But you Vietnam people often wear the wedding,
Weddings.
Tết holiday lunar calendar.
A lunar calendar.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
or meeting
Ah, wow.
for legend.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes, we handmade. You see this thing here? So nice.
Wow.
Yeah, you see this? Anything you sell?
Wow.
So
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Come
Yeah,
on.
my shop here.
Minh Chau Boutique. Well, whatever you are, if you're going to Vietnam, look at this shop. All right. So I will put the descriptions below as well. Thank you so much. Come on. Bye-bye. Bargaining and bargaining until you get the best deal. That's the essence of street vendors here in Hanoi. How much is this one? 10,000?
10 plus 1?
Yeah, if you buy...
Buy 10, 1 free.
if you buy 10, you get one free. So that's 11. Yeah. Alright? Look at these beautiful, beautiful magnets, and they're all souvenirs. Are these magnets, right? This one. From the bustling city of Hanoi, you find these lanterns here hanging up above here with the different colors, and you find it here from different homes here on the special occasions. Not only the special occasions, but also, you know, just as a sign of a design from their own places and home. These are traditional lanterns you find here in Hanoi, and when you go to a different side of Vietnam, you can also find anything more of these lanterns. Christmas is just around the corner here in Vietnam, and look at all these beautiful designs from Christmas trees and Christmas lights everywhere you can find. And I don't know which street am I, because we are in the old town of Hanoi, and when you look at here behind me, look, those are just Christmas lights, Christmas trees. And exactly what I was telling everyone before, that Hanoi is so popular with so many things, from Christmas to everything from the market and so much more. believe I'm here in the center. It used to be really crowded because there's a scooters area here, passes by all the time. Now the city is actually closed just for the night market here. And look at that, I'm actually just walking leisurely here. Walking leisurely here, and that is the main attraction here. I remember coming here one day on a daytime, and everything is just so crowded and I can't even cross the street. Now it's just for people now. I think this is really good about Hanoi is that they took time and given opportunity for just one night, even for one night, to have the streets free of any transportations. And this is what I like most, because I can enjoy more and I can always see everything from around me, walking leisurely and also in good mood. Look at this, the vibrancy of these people. Hello, Xin Chau. There we go. We get so many great people here and so much friendlier people here in Hanoi. As is always said, as early as I've been mentioning that in my past vlog. So given the options to really travel to Hanoi, you must travel to Hanoi. Oh goodness, I feel like I'm in a Mardi Gras or on one of the event or a festival that everyone will just keep on walking and everyone is all out and about. And it feels like an event, but it is actually an event every Friday and Saturday here. And I had to make sure that I'm here on a Friday and a Saturday just to actually experience what it feels like to be here in Hanoi when everyone is out and about. Everyone is all out and about at 7 p.m. and I know it's too noisy, but yet you feel the vibes here. Everyone is out enjoying their nighttime at 7 p.m. until midnight. Look at this. It's freaking filled with lots of people. You see different noises here coming in and out. I know there might be a lot of noises here, but hey, this is what it looks like here. So I managed to walk all the way from the old town to, I don't know, I think this is the new town. Because you can see it from the right side. This is the mall. And they sell pretty high standard products here like Gucci, Burberry, and so much more. But this is exactly what it looks like here. It's crazy. The vibes here is phenomenal. I don't know what to explain and I don't know how to explain it. But man, I adore Hanoi. It's because it's so bustling with people and also they live up with their own standards and keeping them alive here the traditional way, you know, how they actually reconnect with each other. And also giving them just a place to be on the road and just enjoy whatever plans they may have for tonight. I just want to say a massive thank you to Jacky Vietnam Travel for sponsoring this video. This video is sponsored by Jacky Vietnam Travel and they are a very young travel agency in Vietnam located in Hanoi, and they're the best young team that will provide you a tailored needs during your stay in Vietnam. You can contact them through the link in the descriptions below, so you can actually talk to them. 24/7 customer service. They're very good, they're prompt, and also they are the best in Hanoi, so you can actually enjoy the beauty of Vietnam and also give you the best access to Vietnam. Thank you Vietnam, and thank you Jacky Vietnam Travel for sponsoring this video. Now back to the vlog. I am right, Hanoi, Vietnam never sleeps at night. They're just having fun at night time, you know, doing what they love most, from playing skipping rope and also from enjoying with their friends and family here at night time, just strolling across the streets all the way from the old town all the way here. I'm not sure where I am. I'm just following the leads of everyone who are actually walking as well. It looks like it's gonna be the whole night of walking and enjoying whatever we can find here in Hanoi. Night is just finished and we're waiting for our next show. It's at 8 o'clock. That is the one we bought in earlier today just to get a ticket because this is so popular in Vietnam, especially in Hanoi, the water puppet theater show. If you're here in Hanoi, you better watch this theater, water puppet theater, because stay in Hanoi will not be complete without this, watching the water puppet theater. Hello. Hi. Thank you. I'm so excited to watch this tonight because this is Asia's records for the longest barbecue show here, which is all based here in Hanoi, Vietnam. So I'm so excited. The show is in Vietnamese language, but there's also an audio to give you more of a different language when you're here. So this is what it looks like. That is the stage in there, and we are currently in the middle, so we can actually see the show properly. And the theater is just really good for a small group of people, and then we will definitely see and witness the longest Asia's book of records longest barbecue show, which is currently based here in Hanoi, Vietnam. So you should not miss this opportunity to watch if you're here in Hanoi, because if you're traveling here for once in a lifetime, you gotta do it. It doesn't matter what the cost is, but yeah, it's something that you will always remember and cherish, and you tell your friends, I've been to this theater and watch it myself. That was really amazing. I really enjoyed the show for tonight. It gives me a little bit of introductions of what is Hanoi is all about, and the story of the people, hi, and the story of the people during those ancient times. I really like the idea of, giving a little bit of perspective towards the entertainment of it. I mean, the water puppet theater just blew me away with a little bit of, their techniques and skills in showing how to maneuver all those puppets in a very flawless way. I think this is my second time or third time watching a puppet show, but mostly I've seen so much of the shadow puppetry, but then this is something that, it is different from the rest of the show. This water puppet theater is something that you should watch when you are here in Hanoi, Vietnam. And I'm telling you exactly, your Vietnam trip will not be complete without watching this show. I'll put the link in the description below on how you're gonna get a ticket and how much it costs. That's what I said. It doesn't matter what the cost is all about. It's all about the experience when you're here. It's all about everything, your senses, how you enjoy the show and how you enjoy really the culture of what truly Vietnam is all about. So the night market is almost finishing. It's about 11 p.m. at night, so 12 midnight they're gonna be closing. So I guess that's it for tonight. Before I head to bed, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you get all the episodes. So tonight, good night from Vietnam.